Okay, a couple wrong turns, an interesting turnaround, some very small roads. We're finally on the way up to Kai-Bay or Kai-Bay Falls? Kai-Bay Falls, Waterfall. Not bad at all here. 40 baht per person plus parking. Actually, not plus parking, it was 40 baht per person, including the parking. So 80 baht, 2 people. Basically, you're paying for the parking. This is all private property. But obviously they don't want to deprive the public when they could be making a couple of bucks and letting people see the falls. Good plan, good plan. Smart thinking. And not too greedy. Hopefully we're going the right way, you think, baby? I don't know. Hope so. Looks like we're on the right track. Some nice steps here. Leads up to a house or the waterfall, one or the other. Or both. The only sign we saw was at the bottom of the hill, but there was 2 forks after that, so not quite sure. Get to work out. I think these are all rental houses. Not sure if people live here or not. Whew. Trail looks a little overgrown. Well, we'll keep going. Okay, K-Bay is going to be a fail for us. The trail is just way too overgrown, and Travel Buddy only has slippers on, so we're not going to mess with that. This is not going to be the last time we come to KOH CHANG, so we'll catch it next time. No big deal. You know, I can imagine normally there's probably a few hundred tourists that come up here a month, and right now it looks like nobody's been up here in forever. So yeah, we'll go ahead and skip that and catch it next time. No foul. We paid our little 80 baht, whatever. We'll chalk that one up to the game. All right, we're here at the entrance to Klong Namsai. Namsai? Yeah, Klong Namsai Waterfall. Klong Namsai. Not too bad of a drive in. The road's single wide, but all paved. Not terrible. There it is. Klong Namsai Waterfall. Now we'll see how the walk is. We're flowing pipes and stuff here. That's a little weird. I'm not sure what these pipes are supplying, but a bit of an eyesore, but whatever. We'll get over it. Not a big deal. Super short walk. You can see the waterfall is literally right there. A couple of feet. I think this one's multi-level waterfalls, but yeah, we'll go check out this first one and leave it at that. Beautiful. All right, had to change out to my super high quality aqua socks I got from the side of the road. Really beautiful in here, but the trail is a bit sketch, so you got to be careful. And this is just mud right here. Not even sure if I'm gonna get traction on this. All right. Gorgeous view, gorgeous. Right next to the waterfall. Okay, this is the next level up. Not as impressive as that one, I don't think. Something else to see. It looks like you could go even higher if you wanted to hike it, but the trail is definitely unimproved. But hey, if you're an experienced bushman, knock yourself out. Go well, get all the way up to the top. Have a good time. This is good for me. Nice little pools here. I don't see any fish though, which is interesting. There's no fish floating in these pools. Walk over here a little bit. Woo. Rocks are extremely slippery. My little aqua socks are working out for the moment. So I got little sensitive tender feet. These pipes aren't so sexy, but they're way off to the side. Somebody apparently needs that water. All right, pretty nice. Probably not as well visited as the other waterfalls. Klong is by far the #1 waterfall you should go to. Out of the ones we've seen so far, I can't imagine anything topping that. That place was amazing. But this is not bad. Nice little swimming holes. There's only one other family up here right now. Yeah, come check it out. Pretty cool little trail. Not the easiest walk, but yeah, most people probably make it up there. Honestly, the very first waterfall is the best part. The second level has a nice swimming hole, but I definitely like the lower falls better. Not bad. Glad we came. That's probably a one and done. Been here for 2 nights already and haven't gone to the beach, so I guess we'll check that out now. Okay, that's the beach. Pretty standard beach. I like the trees. Go right out over the water. A lot of restaurants here, right on the water. That's nice. Yep, standard beach. We just took a nice little lazy walk down the beach. Didn't record it. Just having a peaceful moment to ourselves. It was great. But I gave y'all a little shot. You see that crazy sky up there? It tried real hard to mess with our day, but it didn't happen. We still had some good fun. Hit a couple waterfalls, saw some elephants. Gonna go have some Mexican food over at Dave's joint, Annie P's American Diner. Should be pretty good. Woo! All checked out, done at Cynthia. We're on the way home, back to Pattaya. Might make a couple of pit stops on the way. If we see anything interesting, we'll definitely record it. We had a great stay. It's an awesome place. Really enjoyed it. We did have one little problem. Well, we had a couple of small problems, not really a big deal. Right before we checked out, maybe 2 hours before we checked out, our air conditioner shorted out the whole room, so we didn't have power for a little bit. They got our power back, but we didn't get any AC back, but it didn't matter because you can just open up the door and you had a nice breeze blowing through, and it's a pretty overcast day anyway, so it's not very hot, so not really an issue. We're on our way home, and I'll pop back in here if we do anything interesting. Okay, we're back on the ferry. For some reason, it's 280 to go back. So 2 people in a SUV. It was only 250 to come over, but 280 to get back. Whatever, another 30 baht, whatever. Just making a note of it.
Turn left, then turn right.
Right, making a little pit stop.
Turn right, then your destination will be on the left.
Some airplanes parked in the parking lot. It's getting weird. You got guys
Your
out
destination is on the left.
You got guys out here with umbrellas following you around. I think we'll be okay. We can get a little bit wet. I'm not gonna cry. All right, coffee war. Coffee war. All right, let's check out Coffee War. We got our designated umbrella holder. This place has been pretty famous on the internet. First day it opened, they actually had to shut it down, not complying with all the COVID restrictions. We gotta go here first? All right. Gotta mask up. You got a mask? No? Yes, no, maybe. Woohoo. Lots of discussion going on. What's up? Huh? 200. A little steep just to go up and look at this plane, but it's all good. We have boarding passes. So 200 baht, 100 baht per person, and then you get a drink included. I'm gonna do choco banana. Yep, choco banana. Okay, our flight's leaving. Let's board. Let's say this is an old A340, maybe? Still smells like an airplane in here. What's up? She's dancing. All right. Everything's first class in here. Pretty cool how they got this set up. Some big air cons in here. Temperature in here is perfect. Feels great. Almost a little bit cold. I gotta get video. Got some tasty treats. Sorry, not available in coach. Pretty decent. Didn't even notice the music playing. Hope it's not copyrighted. All right, here's the extra first class. All right. Yeah, that's as far as we can go. Oh, cockpit might be open. Cockpit open? Yeah, cockpit is open. All right. Whew. This is definitely an old boy here. All analog gauges. That's super old. She had a good run while she lasted. Pretty cool, you still got access to the cockpit. I like how they did that. Still a lot of room in this cockpit for the age of this jet and the design. This is pretty cool. Hey, what's up? Just boarded the flight. Should be taking our takeoff announcement anytime now. First class, off to somewhere, not sure where we're going. All right, dumb jokes over. Okay, I got the choco banana. It was delicious, but yeah, that's a little too much. I can feel myself being wired for the rest of the day now. Super rich. Might want to get something a little more tame. Maybe just regular coffee or something. This was pretty ridiculous. We've been sitting here for 30 minutes and the plane still hasn't taken off. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to give this airline a good rating or not. It's like the taxiway is getting busy. Cool. That was Coffee War. Pretty legit, nice little stopover. Definitely something to come. Another one of those little tourist traps to check out in town here. Why not? Not bad. 200 baht to go on the airplane, and the drink is included. Seems fair enough. I mean, pretty much they're charging for the drinks, so people don't just come out to get on the airplane and look around. So they want you to actually patronize their business. Good plan. I get it. I got a couple more airplanes out here. Just static. I think you can go up in that one, but I didn't go up. Being lazy. Don't feel like climbing any more stairs. Still got to drive home. Almost to Pattaya. You got a chance though, come out here, check out Coffee War. I'll put a link down there with the Facebook page and the Google Map location. Great little time killer. Interesting place. They've got another little, they got an actual restaurant up there. I think that's the original Coffee War before they opened up all these airplanes. And just a lot of war, like a war museum almost, you know, a lot of war antiques and whatnot. Old airplanes, submarines, rescue boats, helicopters, all kinds of interesting stuff out here. But yeah, it's pretty interesting. So Coffee War. All right, James Casino, Chocolate Man, Thailand. All right, home sweet home. Great road trip down to KOH CHANG. About 750 kilometers on the odometer. We got it in. Plenty of sights. Hope y'all are enjoying the content. We got some great trips, man. This should be like video 6, 7, 8. I'm not even sure when you'll actually see this. But it was good times. Hope y'all enjoyed it. James Casino, Chocolate Man in Thailand. Whew. And I'm out.